welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing 5 fall DIYs. I love the way these turned out and I paid about $10 to make everything, which is so exciting, very budget friendly, very simple and super cute. Before I get started, you guys, I do want to thank Soterra for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over the Dream Deep Memory Foam Pillow. It is an adaptive memory foam and orthopedic contour pillow. I love this. I love the little armholes it has here, or I feel like this is like for your arms. I love sleeping like that with it. And it has premium comfort for back, side, and stomach sleepers. I'm definitely a stomach sleeper, and I've known that this just like works so much better for me than a normal pillow because, like I said, I do have somewhere to put my arms at night, which I absolutely love that. This also reduces back muscle and joint pain, which I know that sometimes I sleep with my kids and they take over half the space. So every morning I either have no pillow or I am just like super uncomfortable where my neck hurts, and since I've been using this I have had no neck pain, which is absolutely amazing. This also has cooling memory foam and full body support. So like I said, I sleep on my stomach, but I have noticed that I just have so much more support sleeping at night. So I definitely recommend this. I love this pillow and I love that it has a cooling memory foam, so I get really hot at night as well, and that helps cool me off too. So you guys want to check it out, I will leave a link in the description box below so you guys can save 20% off on your Dream Deep pillow. Alright guys, let's get started with the video. For this first little makeover and DIY, I'm going to be using this toolbox. My mom picked this up for me at a garage sale for only $1. And then I'm just going to be using the Waverly Wax and Antique and going over the entire thing. And I'm just using a sponge brush, and then I'm just going to wipe it away with some paper towel. If you have some sort of rag you use, you could use that. Paper towel works just fine for me. I don't see any like fuzz or anything going off of this, so works perfect. All the paper towels all the way. And yeah, that's all I'm doing right here is just painting the entire thing with Waverly Wax. And I just used my silhouette, and I'm putting this Farmer's Market decal on here. I chose not to do like a super fall theme on here, just so you can put different items in this and not just fall decor. I guess you could always flip it over, but I thought this was perfect for all year round. And then I just added some leaves and garland and some pumpkins. The pumpkins were from Target and Dollar Tree. And then if you guys haven't watched any other videos, I have a giant bag of greenery and florals and leaves from a yard sale. So I just am using those, but you could pick them up at the Dollar Tree, wherever you can find them. Second DIY is with this embroidery hoop. This was only $2 from a garage sale, and I want to make a wreath out of it. I'm using a burlap sheet from Burlap Fabric, and then I am just placing it right in the center, pushing it down, and then I will flip it over and cut all around the edges. And this was really simple to do. I've actually never used embroidery hoop before, so this was kind of exciting that I was able to do something like this. And then once that was done, I just used some burlap to make a bow. I did not show you my bow process. I actually checked out Olivia's Romantic Home. She makes amazing bows, and this is called the Olivia bow. I will link her channel so you guys can make some really cool bows, but I just used this for the bottom and then just hot glued it right to the top so you couldn't see the top of this embroidery hoop. And then I also had another bow from Walmart, and I am just hot gluing it right to the center of the other one. And also, I didn't even say that the sign right in the center is from Dollar General. This was only $1. It does have a little bit of glitter. I don't love the glitter, but I do love the sign. So the glitter, you kind of can't even tell it's there. But this is what it looks like when it's done, and I am in love with this. This piece was in my mom's garage and she did not want it anymore, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to take it, spicing it up, give it a little bit of love. I'm using the Waverly chalk paint in plaster. It's almost a white color. It's just a little bit an off-white. I'm just doing one coat all around, I cannot say words today, all along the pumpkin. Paint was dry. I found this jewel border stickers from the Dollar Tree and thought these were so cute. I was going to actually do some sort of sign, but I thought these would be super cute down the center of little pumpkin creases, and I just did every other one, and then some are from the top to the bottom, and then the others are just right in the center because I didn't want to waste them, and I thought it kind of looked cute this way. I did have extra, so I could have gone back, but I just liked it the way I liked it this way, but you can do whatever you want. This is just a fun little inspirational idea, and this was super fast and easy, and nothing took that long to do. And yeah, the bottom is not painted, but we won't even talk about that. And then I just put the regular flowers back when I was done, and that is it for this one. The next one is a cornucopia, and I have never decorated these. I did look to Pinterest, but I didn't like the way they decorated them. I actually love the way they decorated them, but it would just not work for me. So I had a bunch of florals from the Dollar Tree, and I thought I would just stuff this with goodies, with florals, with pumpkins, with pine cones, with whatever I could think that was fall that would look super cute in here. So I have florals from Dollar Tree and these little packages from Walmart. They are like a gourd pumpkin pine cone pack, 98 cents a piece. These leaves were from Target, but I did find them at Goodwill quite a while ago, and I'm just stuffing it. So the things I seen on Pinterest were really cute because they had this overflowing, which was super cute, but like I couldn't imagine having to clean the overflow of this like when I went to dust. So I'm like, you know what? No, everything is going to get shoved in here. And I really like the way this turned out. I did redo it a few times, but overall, super cute. DIY and makeover is this wagon. This was the most expensive thing. This was $4.09 from Goodwill, and I just took the wheels off of this so I could spray paint them both different colors. I did not like the browns, so I went in with some Rust-Oleum white spray paint in semi-gloss and then the Color Place in black. That's what I had on hand, so that's what I used. Painted these. This is what it looks like when it is painted. And then I went back in with my silhouette from Silhouette in my Silhouette studio. Yes. And just typed in hay rides. This font is called Tall Fall. And I'm just adding some grass in here. If you have little hay bales, that could be cute, but it's so much messier, so I didn't go that route. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I mean, I just filled it with goodies that I had. These pumpkins were given to me. And like I said, I'm just using the little Walmart bags that they had, threw some cotton in there, and yeah, make it how you want it, but I love the way this is. I am loving the orange and red colors for fall. But alright, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you leave this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. And if you do want to check out Sutera for the Dream Deep pillow, the link will be in the description box so you can save 20% off. But that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!